Further afield, on September 30, China celebrated a milestone, the 76th anniversary of its founding, with a message that resonates beyond borders, a call for global unity, shared progress, and renewed friendships. As China charts its future, nations around the world, including Jamaica and the Caribbean, are watching closely, eager to see how these ambitions can translate into real opportunities for mutual growth. Marlon Samuels was at the event and he filed this report.
China marked the 76th anniversary of its founding on September 30, with a speech emphasizing progress, resilience, and a commitment to multilateralism.
As changes in the world not seen in a century accelerate, we should vigorously champion the common values of humanity and practice true multilateralism.
The president highlighted China's efforts in reform, development, and its dedication to global cooperation, especially under the theme of building a shared future for humanity.
We should continue to implement the Global Development Initiative, the Global Security Initiative, the Global Civilization Initiative, and the Global Governance Initiative, and, together with all other countries, strive to build a community with a shared future for humanity.
This message reinforces China's focus on national rejuvenation and strengthening diplomatic ties, including Caribbean nations like Jamaica, fostering mutual growth and friendship. I am Marlon Samuels in Beijing, China, reporting for the news on PBCJ.